Hello my friends, followers, listeners and dear traders, how are you all? Hope all doing fine and doing very awesome. At least we launched our forex trading boom and crash robot for scalping. Okay, so today going to give a test this robot. The first of all, look here, we deposit $50. $50 is deposit, okay, and that testing is for 15 days on crush 500 index. Okay, I'm going to start this robot and let's see how it's going to work. And look here, the boot immediately placed some trades, and look here, the TP and all TP is a hit. Okay, and look here, that TP. Okay, let me show you the screen of what is the robot doing. And look here, the scalper robot is going to make money for you. And look here, each candle that boot doing scalping on each candle and converting money into your account. Okay, and look here, the opening trades and the buy, look here, that crash trend is buy always, so it's giving, and look here, and I'm making profit. Let me run fast and complete quickly this test. Okay, let me fast the robot and finish the work. Okay, you guys seen that the boat is doing scalping on candles, and look here, each candle both seen is doing scalping. Okay, at least $854 with $50 that boot have generated. And now let me show you the back test. And look here is the graph is from start and gone where. Look here. I hope you all guys understand clearly. And now is the back test report. History quality is said that 100% is, and that deposit amount is $50. And look here. And net profit, look here. Balance drawdown absolutely, look here, 0.00. There is no absolute. The balance drawdown because both have not made any loss and any other thing. It's showing the balance drawdown, the maximum if is happening in the trading. 9.61 is the drawdown. Okay. A short trade, look here, 2.19%, and look here, profit trade 138. Okay, continuously win 330 trades, and long trades won the total, and the lost trades, look here, for 56 is the last trade. Okay, and I think something, let me show you the equity drawdown. Look here, 9.81% is a drawdown. Okay, and the all report is there. You're able to see. I hope now you all guys understand what is this and what is the report work, what is going to do this report. And look here also. Okay, let me show you the trades, the history of trades, and look here by robot. Yesterday I ran quickly trade view for you guys on my real account and show you how this thing is going to work. Okay, at the buy and the sale, and look here that what is both going to do for you. And also put your eyes here that TP is happening in this trading. Loss and profit is also the part of trading, but if one thing is making continuously money for you, this is very awesome thing. Okay, and look here, the take profit and all things, look here. What is Booth doing? Look here. Put your eyes here, that stop loss and take profit. So I hope you all guys understand it is clear video and all instruction and all required your question answer in this video. If you still have any question, kindly my telegram link in description. Feel free contact me, will give you the complete detail what you need. Okay, so this robot is going to launch in public sector for sale. If you are interested, order your copy. We will give you the one account license only. Thanks for watching. I hope you all guys understand clearly.